beats. El craque.
Hi guys, welcome back. Just thought I'd do a little video on Manta chassis rails. Have you ever wondered what goes on inside of your Manta chassis rail? If your chassis rail looks like this and it's been patched up in the past, or it's beginning to swell and you can see it's sort of getting a little bit fatter in certain places, the chances are that the inner structure of that chassis rail is rotten. Now, majority of the strength in this car and in Mantas is in that inner chassis rail, not in the outer skin, not in any plate work, it's in that inner structure. That's also what retains and holds your front cross member, which your engine and your gearbox is fastened to. So there's a lot of pressure going on that, especially when you're cornering with all that weight and so on. Also, if this car was impacted from the front, that impact is all going to be transferred inevitably up into these inner sections here. So it's quite important that these sections are strong. Now, if yours looks like this and it's got a patch on, it will probably look the same as what's going on inside this one. So I've made some cuts here. I'm going to start to peel this off now and I'm going to show you what really goes on inside of a Manta chassis rail that's not been stripped back and replaced and or even inspected. So let's get this trimmed off now and we'll have a look. So I've got the outer skin chopped off, which was a previous repair. So now I'm going to show you what actually lurks beneath this patchwork. So as you can see there guys, there's not a lot of strength left in that at all. This is where the strength should be in the car, in this inner section. When it looks like this, you can put your hammer through it. That is not very good. Not good at all. It's quite important to bear that in mind if you're having these patched up. Please get these repaired properly. Get these intersections chopped out, get them replaced, get that strength back in these cars. Don't just go over the top of it with thin pieces of steel, such as this. There's no strength in that. You're just masking the problem. It will come back to bite you in the butt. So if you're going to get it done right. and get it done so it's going to last. You know it's safe, you know it's strong, and you know we don't have to worry about it again. Just a quick look up this side as well. As you can see, they do rot from the inside out. So that's it. I thought I'd just give you all a little video on what goes on beneath there. I know there's a lot of talk about Manta chassis rails and how to repair them. People don't particularly like to get involved in these. They're not too bad once you've done a few. It's just a matter of getting stuck in, get these shaped up, get them welded in, get your holes in the right spot, covers on, job's a good one.